Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and your family too. This is the pupil book and your first unit is unit number 1, articles. This is a very easy topic. We have been studying this since class 1 and the topic is articles. What are articles? The words a and an are called articles. Okay. An is used with the words which are starts with the vowels. Okay. Now first, what are vowels? 5 alphabets which are A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Okay. Any word which starts with these vowels will have an in the start, like an ice cream, an umbrella, an orange, an egg, as you can see here. Okay. An orange. Why an is used? Because orange is start with the word O and O is a vowel. Okay. An egg. Why here an is used? Because egg is starts with the letter E and E is a vowel. Okay, any letter starts with the vowel, you used an before it. Okay, and a. This is a. Okay, A. A is used with the consonant words. Now, what are consonant words? Consonant words are the words which are not start with the vowels. There are too many words like ball, cat, door, fan, bed, school, etc. Truck, forest. They all are consonant words because these words start with the D, F, T, which are not vowels. Okay, and with these words, A is used. Okay, as you can see on this page, this exercise, copy the words, write A or an before each word. Dash elephant, an elephant. Why? Because elephant words start with the letter E and E is a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Okay. So here we can write as an. Second is dash bush. Okay. Here we write A bush. Okay. Why? Because it starts with the letter B and B is not a vowel. It is a consonant word. Okay. Next is apple. It starts with the A, so we can write as an. A snake, a caravan, an omelette, an insect, a cabbage, an ant. Okay. Now see this page. You make a 2 columns on your notebook with A, with an. Okay. And select these words and put it in the correct column. Okay. Like first word is elf. It starts with the E, it means it is a vowel. Okay, we write in the column of N. Okay, second word is cap. It starts with the C and C is not a vowel. So, it put in the column of A. Okay, sun start with S. S is not a vowel. So, it is also in the column of A. Like this, you can complete all these with the in the correct columns. Okay. Now, extension, copy these sentences, write A and or an to fill the gaps. Okay. There is dash ice cube in my drink. There is an ice cube in my drink. We had dash argument this morning. We had an argument this morning. Dash spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. Okay. There is a one point also that some words have a silent alphabets also, like a word honor and honest. Okay. These words start with the H like this, but H is silent here. We not say like honest, we say honest. Okay, and it sounds tight, starts with the O, honest. Okay, So we can write N before these words also. Okay, because O is a vowel and its sound starts with the O. Okay. Second rule is we use A before U, EU, and when the sound is Y as in yes. When the sound is J, okay, we can write A. Okay. Sometimes when its sound is Y as in yes, like in some words starts with the UN. When UN is at the start of the word, we use A before these words. Okay. Like this one, dash uniform. It starts with the U. U is a vowel, but its sounds is like uniform, J. When J sound is here, we can write as A uniform. Okay. Second is house. Its sound is starts with the H. House. We can write as A house, because H is consonant. Second is hour. Here also H is silent, so we can write as an hour. Okay. Next is umbrella. It starts with the U and the sound is also of U, so we can write as an umbrella. Here number 5th is unicorn. Sound is J, so we can write as A. Next is Joro. We can write as a Joro, because the sound is J. Whenever a sound J is appear, we can write as A. Okay. The next topic is singular and plural. Okay. As you all know very well that singular is a single thing, means one thing, and plural is two or more than two things. When we use singular noun, we must use singular verb like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, etc. These all are verbs. Okay. As you can see here, the tunnel goes under the sea. Here, tunnel is also a singular noun and goes is a verb, singular verb. When we use a plural verb, we must use a plural verb also. The cockerels crow every morning. Okay. Cockerels means these. Okay. So, cockerels are also plural and crow is also a plural verb. Here, the boy is singing. Boy is a singular noun. The boy was singing. Was is also used for a single thing. The girls are singing. Girls are the plural noun, and the girls were singing. Were and are is used for the plural verb. Okay. Here is the some sentences. Choose the correct verb to finish each one. The cottages are empty. The cottages are empty. So we can tick on are. We are going to buy them. We are going to buy them. I am is going to live in one of them. I am going to live in one of them. The walls are dirty. The walls are dirty. The chimney are broken. The chimney is broken. Okay. And use these words, these nouns in the sentences using was or were noun verbs. Okay. Like first word is flowers. These are the plural nouns, so we use plural verb. And these are two verbs. Which one is used for plural noun? Were is used for the plural. So we can write as these were the beautiful flowers. Okay. Book is a singular, so we can use was. This book was mine. Okay. Like this, you can complete all these sentences in your notebook. This one is choose the correct verb to finish each one. The cake crumbles when you cut it. The cake crumble when you cut it. The icing looks very soft. I likes to eat this cake. I likes to eat this cake. We buys this cake at the bakery. We buy this cake at the bakery. There are some rules also, like each is used for the singular noun and every is used for the singular noun as well as plural noun. Like each flower is very colorful. Every petal looks beautiful. Okay. Here are some collective noun which is also followed by the singular noun. Sums of money, popular food are also singular followed by singular. Like if the money is used, you use singular noun. If fish and chips, there is chips, it doesn't mean that these are the plural. No, chip is not a word. These the proper word are chips. Okay. Fish and chips, the group of food, are also used singular verb. Okay. Now as you can see here, write whether each one would be followed by a singular or plural verb. The sandals, these are the plural. Okay. The spoonful, singular. Each boy, singular. Peaches and cream, singular. This bunch, singular. ATP, singular. Okay. Put these nouns into sentences of your own. These nouns, make a sentences of these nouns in your notebook. Crowd, team, 4.00, this is the money. Every book. Okay. Complete this. This is all about today. Allah Hafiz.